Welcome to our van life with our four chihuahuas, episode 65. We show you around Big Sur State Park Campground and also had to say our final goodbyes to an important part of our lives. Join us in this memorable journey and thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, we made it to our campsite here at Big Sur State Park, and right now we are just getting our stuff set up. We'll show you around the site and go do a little bit of hiking by the creek.
When you reserve a creek spot, you get creek access. Our spot is over there on the roadside, and this is a nice example of a creek spot. So back right in, be able to have nice little running water just where you lay your head to bed. Very well kept, very clean areas. Probably the most people working in a state park that we've been to recently. It's not a national park. Let's check the temperature. Whew. Actually, not bad. Feels pretty good on a hot day like today. It was about 55, 60 degrees up the coast on Highway 1 and foggy. And here, looks like that a rope swing. It's like 85, so feels pretty good. Lots of people are taking advantage, hanging out in the creek. Saw lots of people have inner tubes, so pretty cool. Big Sur Creek with Chewbacca. Not going in the water, a little too cold for her. We're gonna go down to the river walk because the doggies can go on that. Nice little area. What do you think, Pia? Next time, try to get a spot. We had no luck getting a spot right on the creek. Another bathroom, shower combo, super close. The state park has the cleanest and most available bathrooms that we have ever seen. But we've been to some of the crappier ones too, so that's a deep comparison. So we are in the Wayland Camp area, and it goes right along the creek. Yeah, we're gonna go over there on that bridge. We are in Big Sur, and we have all the pups doing a walkies down here. Wish we had more time and wish we had more bug defense. So we've been feeding pretty much all these guys now kibbles and farmer's dog combo, and they've been doing really good on it, staying healthy. They're, if anything, all need to get their weight up a little bit, maybe except for that one, Bo. But Chewbacca had recently lost some weight, and and she's on heart meds, so we want to keep her not overweight but well fed. She kind of had stopped eating for a while regularly, probably too much looking for human food. And then the nice thing about Farmer's Dog that Pia ordered is that it definitely smells and tastes like people food, but it's well rated healthily for dogs. And Yoda loves it. Yoda pretty much had stopped eating any other dog food that we gave him, and he was down to about 2 pounds. So we're really happy that he's enjoying it. Oh, shit. And Bale's eating gnats. That's probably the big negative here in the summertime. It's lots of gnats and flies, and probably mosquitoes coming out a little bit later.
Took a very long nap. And now we're just waking up. But Sean's been awake. The babies are asleep.
Hi, babe. What you doing?
Starting to get dinner going.
What's for dinner?
We are making tofu and veggie curry.
Do you see this?
Hi, Mimi. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Good morning. Well, actually, it's not good morning, but Boba loves it when you tell her good morning. Hi. Hi, Bo. Dogs are tired from the walk that they had earlier. Chewbacca and Boba, mostly the 2 puppies here, got carried. This is 17-year-old Yoda. He's always going to be a puppy. And then our 13-week-old little Bail Organa. She can't walk on the ground yet because she's only had her 2nd series of shots. So the vet has advised that because she's so tiny, she should not walk yet in case she picks up any disease. So we've just been carrying her around for now until she gets her next and last series of her booster shots, which will probably be in another couple of weeks or so. It's supposed to be in 1 more month, but we asked if we could get her shots a few days early since we are traveling to Canada. So this is Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park. This is the map. They have about 188 campsites. So this place is always booked. And we had to use a camp nap to get the spot here. And would I say this place is worth it? Absolutely. If you can get a spot here, definitely check it out. We didn't get to do the trails since we have our dogs, and dogs are not allowed on the trails. But perfect for family camping or group camping. The dogs are not allowed in the creek from what we saw of the signs, but it's absolutely beautiful here.